Shelby has called me out. She says she can beat us with her GT.
All right, what do we got going on here?
All right, I got my Pro EFI turbo kit on my Razor, my Pro R. Sean has dialed this thing in. We put 35 so we don't overspin the rev limiter, right, Sean?
That's correct.
But Shelby has called me out. She says she can beat us with her GT.
We're ready.
So what do we got? What is this?
This is a GT 500. We got a cold air intake and a tune running about 900 horse.
What else? That it?
That it?
I felt like there was a lot more to this, like carbon fiber wheels. I felt like this is like a over-the-top
She has
build.
the whole track package, carbon fiber wheels, spoiler. This thing don't even come with seats. It's empty.
So what's so special about this one over your regular Shelby? It's a lot lighter.
This one's
right?
a full composite. It's supposed to be super light. They're like 800 horse or something factory. She's got a little bit of ups on her here to make her a little bit faster. It's still a Ford, so it's probably not going to go very fast.
And it's supercharged from the factory.
Okay, so she's lighter than the average.
She's lighter than the average.
More
And the best thing
horsepower.
is, you know, the pants that she wears.
I forgot about that. Hell no.
She does own a Corvette.
So we got a supercharger versus turbo.
Yeah. Ford versus
So we
off-road.
got roughly 900 horsepower.
Because you guys have a tune and stuff on it, right?
Yeah. And 3,500 pounds, I think it is, 3,800 pounds. Versus roughly, what, 2,000 pounds?
I think it's like 24 if I remember.
2,500 pounds.
Yeah.
This one's at 13 pounds of boost on 60% ethanol. Probably making about 400 horse.
Now Shelby, you said a lot, right? Don't you think you're winning?
I know I'm winning.
Oh, you know.
I
Okay.
know it.
Okay.
We are ready.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Is Shelby gonna win, or is this off-road buggy gonna beat these fast cars on the street in Mexico? What do you think, Sean?
I think the buggy's got it.
All right, let's see what the buggy can do.
Let's
Here we go.
We're gonna give her the hit.
What do you mean?
She's gonna get the hit. When she goes, you go.
You go, I go? Okay.
Yeah.
What happened? Stall it?
Trash control is all over trash control.
Wouldn't go.
Wouldn't go.
Sounds like that.
She's like, should I take off trash control? No, because I don't want her to hit the curb or something.
That was embarrassing.
I had a lot of hope.
Let me stab your cells.
Brutal.
Before, jump. Verify for the win.
Right there. That was brutal.
Good time though. I was going nowhere like this.
Why didn't you shift? You just sat on the rev limiter for like 4 hours. You were on the rev limiter clear to there.
Oh wait, now we gotta try it from a rolling start.
At 20 or what?
Yep, 25.
Okay, all right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, redemption time. Redemption time. She runs it. She wants a better roll.
Like Sean said, you were doing like 20, 25, and I was doing like 5.
Yeah.
But once I took off, like I just stood there with her, and then once we got to like 75, she's just like, see ya.
75 is done. Somebody else's heart.
Holy sh!
Hell yeah.
Did you get him? You got him. Go, go, go.
Desert SXS road trip with the wolf pack.